Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The dentist is going to explain you the procedure and give you tropical spray. Once the tropical spray is given, we'll wait for a few seconds and then start with local anesthesia. It is normal to feel pain after anesthesia wear off. What are the instructions given after the teeth is been extracted? First instruction is bite on the cotton gauze given to you for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the gauze piece, throw it in the dustbin and have something cold such as ice cream, yogurt. Rexidine Plus is the best mouthwash. It contains chlorhexidine. Allow the cloth to form in the socket. Relax for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, rinse your mouth with a solution that is salt and a warm water. Do not drink from straw for at least 24 hours. Do not smoke, which can inhibit healing. Eat soft foods such as soups, pudding, yogurt from the extraction site. Take medicines as prescribed by the doctor. Bite firmly on cotton gauze piece placed by your doctor to avoid the bleeding. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for the latest update.